today, I'm inviting you on a rare journey through Seattle's most extraordinary penthouse, where every detail is a luxury. Just imagine owning the entire top floor of one of Seattle's most prestigious condo buildings. This isn't just any home, it's a masterpiece soaring above the city with the 360-degree views that capture the heart of the Puget Sound. My name is Darius, and welcome back to my channel where we give you tours of the most exclusive real estate here in Washington State. And today we're at the penthouse unit of the First Hill Plaza building here in downtown Seattle, or just minutes from downtown Seattle. And this unit is truly something else. It's almost 7,000 square feet, which makes it the largest condo in the city of Seattle. As we walk around, you'll see we're taller than any other residential unit in the city. So the views are magnificent. Make sure you stick around for the whole video because I promise you're not gonna see another unit like this. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any tours in the future. So let's get right into it. So we're starting our tour right at the main entrance into the unit, and right at the gate, this is something special we wanna talk about. First, you have a private elevator that takes you to this private lobby for you to enter your unit. So the whole building is 33 floors and we're on the 32nd. So the only thing that's above us is a shared pool, the gym, and other amenities. But as far as the residential units, you're the tallest one. And so the vestibule is beautiful. You see tons of bronze and art and beautiful lighting and these massive bronze doors that open up into your unit. Right as you walk in, the first thing that draws your attention are these floor-to-ceiling windows and the view of the city and the Puget Sound right behind it. And just, it feels like you're above every other building. First Hill Plaza is in the First Hill neighborhood, which is actually up on a hill from downtown Seattle. So even though it's not the tallest building in all of Seattle, being on a hill, it's taller than most others. This particular unit is the tallest residential condominium that you could purchase in all of the city, because we're on the 32nd floor and because we're up on a hill. And then this is probably one of my favorite rooms in all the house. Very moody, dark, walnut wrapped wooded office. It gives you these New York vibes that I really, really like and are rare for Seattle. Then as we continue this way, we're now in the formal living room. And another feature I really, really like is this bronze fireplace. So the whole thing, floor to ceiling, is cast out of real bronze. Even the firewood is made out of bronze, and it really stands out and kind of sets the tone for this whole area. And then as we continue, here, since we have no carpet, you could see the gorgeous dark herringbone patterned floors. And these are throughout the whole unit, except for the bedrooms where we have some carpet. Over here, you notice a massive, massive, massive custom chandelier. It's probably the biggest chandelier I've ever seen in a condo, and a custom circle round table. And again, the views of the city. And as we walk around, you'll see that we really get a whole 360 tour of everything that the Puget Sound has to offer. Here, we get the city skyline, we get the Puget Sound behind it, we get the Cascades, and far out in the distance, we see Space Needle. Another fun fact is actually we're right now at the same height as the Space Needle observation deck. So even though Space Needle is a taller building than we just mentioned, we are up on a hill. So as we look out in the horizon, we're at the same height as the Space Needle. And as you know, that's probably one of the most commonly visited tourist spots, and most people go there and pay money to go up top for the observation deck to get a look at the city. And if you lived here, you get the same view as you do from up there, but it's all to yourself. So that's really cool. As we continue this way, we have one of the two massive terraces if you want to step outside. The unit's gone an extensive 3-year renovation where everything was completely gutted and redone by a world-renowned firm of George Suyama. And between the finishes and the art that these homeowners have in here, it has a really, really unique, traditional yet modern feel throughout. And as we continue this way, we enter the family room with a cozy nook, a big screen TV right off the kitchen. So it's a very, very functional layout if you think about it, right? We had the library in the office, then we had a formal dining, then we kind of lead into the casual family room and are greeted by this massive kitchen. We have double islands, of course, top of the line appliances. I mean, just look at the size of this fridge alone. This is insane. The kitchen is very, very modern, just like many other places of the home, but it doesn't feel cold or over the top. And as you're standing here, you also have a small dining nook where you're probably gonna wake up and have breakfast. Your entrance to your terrace is right to the left-hand side. And no matter where you are in this unit, every direction you look, you just have expansive views. It's hard to describe or put into words how it feels to be up here, but it's truly something special. And then as we step off the main kitchen, we have this butler pantry, but it's also a fully functioning second kitchen with the stove and the dishwasher, everything you need. And this closes off. There's also a separate entrance from the elevator lobby, creating a separate guest suite that's fully secluded. So if you have guests in town or family, they have the whole wing of the house to themselves. So let's keep going. As we keep going, again, I just love these floors all the way throughout. You have tons of storage. You saw that all the main hallways as we entered are tons of art walls, but there's no lack of storage here on the back end of the unit. You have a second primary suite. So here, it's a proper suite because you have a full closet, a beautiful bathroom, and again, just more views. This time we're facing Bellevue, Lake Washington. We see Mercer Island out in the distance, and we're now at the final place of the tour in the primary suite. And originally we told you we're gonna do the whole tour in a circle, but we lied. We turned around and we came this way just because we wanted to show you the proper entrance into the primary suite. So as you expect, have a beautiful bedroom. Every window has spectacular views of the downtown. This corner of the house is facing southwest. So again, a different angle of the city and one of the most beautiful bathrooms that you will ever see. It's massive. You have beautiful counters, beautiful stone, mirrors, lighting. Everything was very designed very intentionally. A large sitting tub. It's spacious, it's beautiful. We have a large oversized steam shower, a tub. Now it's really, so you're not gonna see it today, but Mount Rainier is out in the distance, so you could be literally sitting here taking a bath and enjoying the most spectacular view of the Mount Rainier. And then we also have its own private gym with a patio. The last thing to mention are the amenities of the building. So here in First Hill Plaza, you have all of the amenities that you would expect, from valet parking, 24-hour concierge, all of those things. Another unique thing, this is the only building downtown that has its own outdoor tennis court. So that's pretty cool. And that's a wrap for today's tour. This is as good as it gets if you want to live in the city. I hope that you've enjoyed the tour. Please comment and let me know what were your favorite features of this particular condo, and let me know what else you would like to see me tour, and I'll catch you on the next video.